Can we remove incognito mode in Google Chrome permanently? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome permanently. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch Google Chrome app on your device. Make sure that you have logged in. Tap on three dots at top right. From this list, you can easily see New Incognito tab. So this is the built-in feature in Google Chrome, and you need to know that we are not able to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome permanently. But alternatively, what you can do to disable incognito mode is simply close Google Chrome. Open App Store or Play Store depending upon your device, and you can easily search for disable incognito. Look for apps like Incognito or Incognito to help disable incognito mode, and this will install and follow the app's instruction to block incognito mode. So this is only one alternative way in order to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome temporarily. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.